Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at this pristine-ish 1996 Toyota Corolla Prism 96. Beautiful little car, just a little gem compared to the crap that's being made nowadays. You cannot compare this to the economy of a Ford Escape with a 1-liter EcoBoost. Yes, I would want a little bit more around me as far as structural, but let's take a look around this car and see why it's here. The seats are just going to be immaculate. Look at that. 125K, automatic, really clean, never smoked in. Headliner's falling down a little bit. We'll get it on the hoist, take a look at all the underside. It is here for, well, I know it's here for fuel lines. I need a new gimbal. If there anybody out there that has any suggestions with gimbals, I'm ready to rifle this thing into that wood chipper. Just chuck it in there, spit it out on the back of that Suburban. I don't care. I am so sick of this gimbal. I'm going to just take my phone out here, I think. Hold on a second. All right, now we're back in the house. Or in the house, it is my house. We're going to pop the hood. Let's pop the hood on this beauty and see what things look like under the hood. Oh, what a gem. A distributor cap, plug wires, 1, 2, 3, 4, plug wires, distributor cap, unbelievable. Not a big science project. Intake boots on these like to crack. Seems good. Like I said, the radiator's got some discoloration. It's nice and warm. It feels kind of good. My hands are chilly. Headlights are a bit fogged over. I'm gonna get it up in the air to all right, let's take a look underneath. This is Wisconsin, so probably service those caliper pins. I just replaced the caliper like that. That was only 2 years old, already toast. New axle shaft. Oh, what do we got here? Yeesh, that's not good. Leaking brake washer. Probably over torqued, or they reused that one. Not the other one, because one's really thin and one's really thick. And then we got some brake line. And fuel lines. Definitely a little soft compared to the rest of the car. Really solid. Pinch welds, look at that. You just don't see this here in Wisconsin. You just don't. On a 96. Look at that. Beautiful there. That's totally normal for what we see. Huh. Anywho, her Cooper nickel brake lines. See, that's what you get in Wisconsin. It's not Cooper nickel, it's crapper nickel. It's all crap. Oof. That's really bad. I might recommend we do brake lines too, even though she probably just did them. The materials they used were garbage. El Garbagerino. What do we got for fuel line? Oh, okay. That's not gonna come out. There you are. That's the vent. That's pretty bad. Other than that, though, it's really solid. No, this feels good. I just don't like the filler neck. I sure wouldn't want to see them go on a trip and have some fuel leaking out of there, so maybe we will price out a tank as well, just because. And then these lines, these Cooper nickel lines. This is thank you Wisconsin salt spray liquids that they pour on the road. That's awesome. How does the harmonic balancer look as well? We see a lot of issues with those. The rubber separating, getting all wonky. Ooh, I don't like that at all. Yeesh. That's like a giant rust pimple just waiting. Look at that. Goes really deep. I'm just going over some fuel line things and I noticed this on the spark plug wire. Check this out. Sumitomo 1995. Original plugs and wires and probably cap and rotor. Original. Runs like a champ. We installed new fuel lines, return, delivery, and as well as a new evap line. I'm going to price out a new tank sending unit, filler neck, as well as the rubber hose and crusty connection. I'll showcase the new lines when we do the tank, as I'm a full-time single dad trying to do this all as a feat. And one can only do so much, so thank you very much for watching. After 33 videos, I'm finally going to ask if you found any value in this. Please like, share, subscribe, as we aim to get better with every video. Cars and motorcycles are awesome, and so are you. This has been a Bent Level production.